Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials done fast. Sign into your Google account and enable two-factor authentication so your account is ready for advanced features. Once done, make sure you're on an up-to-date browser like Chrome because Notebooklm relies on the latest web APIs. Next, check whether Notebooklm requires enrollment or a preview opt-in in your account settings. Apply immediately. This step unlocks access. Doing it now removes roadblocks and prepares you for the interactive setup steps that follow. You'll now assemble content and configure Notebooklm. First, collect PDFs or docs you want it to analyze, keeping files under the recommended size for speed. Then create a new notebook, drag and drop your files, and add brief tags or notes so the model understands context. This improves answers. After that, set privacy and model options. Choose whether to keep data private and which response style to prefer. These configuration choices shape output quality, so you finish by running queries and iterating. Begin with a short question about your uploaded content, then refine using follow-ups and pasted context to get precise answers. Make a habit of exporting important results and saving notebook versions so you can revert or share them. If something breaks, troubleshoot quickly. Clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or re-upload problem files. Finally, confirm your enrollment and permissions. Those are the usual culprits when features don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.